Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to find the HCF. Now HCF means the highest common factors. So similarly, like we have found out LCM in our previous video, we are going to now learn how to find the highest common factor. And for this we need to learn how to do the prime factorization. Now, what we will do when we need to find the HCF? Say for instance, we need to find the HCF for the numbers 24 and 36. So we need to find out what is the HCF. Our job is to find the prime factorization of both the numbers. So we will first find the prime factorization of 24 and then we will find out the prime factorization for 36. So let us start. So our number is 24 and 36. So if we have to start the problem, first we will start the prime factorization. Remember, prime factorization is a process in which you use the lowest number to get all the factors of the particular number. So the lowest number by which 24 can be divided is 2, which ends up getting 12. Similarly, we continue doing this. 2 and 6 2s are 12. Now we know again that 6 is also divisible by 2, so we get 3. We will do it until and unless we receive 1 at the bottom. So now over here we learned that 24 can actually be expressed in the form of 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Right? So now similarly we erase the part that we did for 24. Now we do it for the number 36. So 24 is gone. Now we do the prime factorization for the number 36. If we do the prime factorization, we again figure out the lowest number by which it can be divided. So the lowest number is 2, so it comes out to be 18. Again, when we divide the 18 with 2, we get 9. And then we put 3 here, so 3 3s are 9, and we give 3 over here, that makes us get 1. So we can say that the prime factorization for the number 36 is actually 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now the real part that we have to do here is to figure out the HCF of both the numbers. So if we have to find the HCF, you have to remember that the name itself tells you that HCF, C and F means the common factors. Now we have to figure out the factor which is common to both. This 2 is common to both. The second 2 is also common to both. The third 2 we do not have any other 2 with 36, but 3 is also again common to both the numbers. So we write that the HCF equals 2 times 2 times 3. So the answer is 4 3s are 12. So the HCF for 24 and 36 is 12. Similarly, we can do the same for any of the numbers given to us. Say for instance, we have to again find the HCF for the numbers 8 and 10. So how we will do it? So for 8 and 10, we need to find its HCF. So what we do, our first job is to find by the help of prime factorization, the way to break down 8. So first let us do it here. 8. So we will take 2 here, then we get 4, we give 2 here, we get 2 again, we go 2 and it get 1. Similarly, we do it for 10 as well. So 2, 5 2s are 10, so we get 5 here and we get 1. Now we have to write down what are the factors that's making it. So 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which we obtained from here, 2 times 2 times 2. And we can display 10 as 2 times 5. Now find out the factors which are common to both. So 2 and 2 is common to both. Hence, there are no other factors, and the HCF of 8 and 10 is actually 2. So that is how you find the HCF, the highest common factor, by the help of prime factorization.